In the 1960s, real estate was about gathering, coming together at open houses, where the scent of fresh paint mingled with the excitement of possibility. The revolution of film cameras transformed how we saw homes, followed by listing books, dreams bound in ink, shared hand to hand. The digital camera blurred the lines of reality, capturing more than just homes.
It sparked imagination. Then the internet allowed homes to be seen by anyone, anywhere, and virtual tours let people step inside without leaving their own home. Yet, many homes missed out due to budget and technology limits. And now,
we've arrived at a new milestone in real estate media, where the line between home and possibility fades away. Affordable virtual tours for every listing let buyers experience their future home from the comfort of their current one. The future of real estate imaging is here, and we are proud to build it with you.